My children right now are playing Door Ditch, and they keep ringing my doorbell. What they don't realize is that I can see what they're doing, which also means I can see the UPS man, which also means I can see the delivery man, which also means I can see any guests that happen to pop in my way. I can hear you, I can hear you. So swipe up, use code GEN, GEN99, and you'll get your system for $99 in free installation. And I promise that it will keep your family wildly entertained, if anything, and it will keep you safe. So it's just nice knowing that you can see, 1 second, my love, what's going on in your front yard and at your door, and who's there and bringing what, and any doorbell ditchers.